Good morning, boys and girls. So today you're going to do your daily check-in just like you do every day. But then there is another activity that I want you to do right away this morning. But there was something I wanted to show you. So sometimes when we are doing distance learning, I might have more than one link for you to open. And some of you that were at home already got to see some of this, but I'm going to show you two ways to open those links. So one is just like before when we do our Google form. When you get to your activity, you can see that we have the link symbol there. So I can click on that. And Seesaw's being very slow today, boys and girls, so we have to be patient. And then you can click on this link and you'll go watch that video. Then you would come back to Seesaw and you click on that link. When you go to click on the link, you can't just press on the star. You click on the little link connected to it. Okay, so that's one way you can get to the videos. So you would watch this video first and then you would go watch this video. That's one way to get to the link. The other way you can get to the link, give it just a minute, there, like I said, there's a delay, is you can see I also put the links here in the directions. So if you see how it underlines when I hover over it? If you click on that, it's going to bring you to the link number 1. Then you would have to come back to Seesaw, click on link number 2, come back to Seesaw, and then you will click the add response. Okay? So what you're going to do as soon as you're done with your Google form, you're going to come watch these 2 short videos, and then you're going to come back to Seesaw, add response, and then you're going to tell me which video you liked best and why you liked it. All right, good luck. I'd like to see who is able to open both links. Have a good day, guys.